We're here on the Tropical Culture Podcast, collaborating with Weekday Productions, and we're here at Spring Cake. I'm Dez, and we're here with
Chef Noriaga, you know what I'm saying? The host of Clan Podcast, all day playing Clan Apparel. I'm here with my brother, also a partner for that show.
Yeah, it's been a minute, man.
Yeah, bro.
So, what are you focusing on right now? Is it modeling? Is it...
Shoot, right now, I'm actually about to drop another album. The album is about to be called Robo Chef. It's pop, housey music, fashion music. As you see, I'm out here for my brother right now. It's a lot of runway vibes. That's what I'm really working on, like, for the meantime right now.
Let's focus on that then. Let's talk about Robo Chef. What type of music? You said it was like house, like pop.
It was pop.
What inspired you to do it like that style?
To be real, I was gonna drop one, and then Tori dropped that along at prom, and then got the Honestly Nevermind.
Oh yeah.
I had this album since 2020, and I just was like waiting on the right time.
I want to say something. I don't know why, but everyone else wasn't feeling that. Honestly, Nevermind, but that was my shit. That was my summer vibe. It was like, I know there's a lot of house music that's like great. It was good.
Yeah, see, like,
and I was feeling it. That's all that mattered. Like sometimes people will expect like the best, and I'm like, nah, I'm feeling it. I'm enjoying it. Just kicking back.
Yeah, but like growing up from Chicago, like, you know, it's it's where house music originated.
Yeah.
So I wanted to kind of bring my touch of, you know, house, pop, you know, since it's kind of like, you know, hip hop kind of moving towards like the pop wave again, and then, you know, you always got like pop, that type of music is coming back. So I just felt the timing was right. I've had a lot of fun making the project. A lot of stuff could sound good with a commercial. So.
Nah, that's true.
Yeah.
I saw someone, I forgot, I think it was like, it's Connor or something, but he was showing like his world, like, most random stuff that he had made, like music, and it's like, this is on the NFL, this was like on like some weird like golfing show. It's like, it adds up though, man. It's like you're enjoying making it, throwing that out there and seeing what happens works wonders.
Yeah. Well, also, alienation, I forgot too. Repping.
Yeah, that's the clothing one?
Yeah. No. That's, you know, I'm part of the alienation, so, Planet Feet.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But yeah, that's it. I got a song, Sweet Sound Heartbeat. It's on all streaming platforms right now. Before that, I dropped the project Chef's Noriaga. It was a like all Spanish project. That's what you got here.
Wait. You said all Spanish project?
Yeah, all Spanish.
Yeah. So, what inspired that one? What was the vibe for the Spanish album?
My homie had put me in the club. I didn't know how to say nothing, bro. And I saw a nice Mercedes G-Wagon slugging cakes, and I didn't know what to say.
Better than me. I was like, I know 5 phrases. I'm gonna learn how to dance. And then I knew how to dance. I was dancing back then, but I forgot it.
What type of dance you used to do?
I used to do ballroom and salsa. So I did ballroom for like...
Really did?
Yeah, I did ballroom like amateur for like 5 years. And I did salsa for like 3 or 4. But yeah, maybe people shit back up. That was fun.
You help me learn some salsa?
I mean, I relearn myself. Once COVID hit, like, there wasn't no party dancing. I switched to a whole new thing. I ended up climbing.
Rock climbing?
Yeah, I was like, I can't go to my dance because, no contacts. So I guess I'm gonna go climbing.
You go to the summit?
I usually go to Oso.
Oso? Mm-hmm. I've only been to the summit out here as far as like rock climbing, but how you guys do it?
I think it's the best one in the house. Yeah, at least the top 2.
Do you free climb?
Yeah, free climb. Yeah.
Hardcore, yeah, you heard me.
No.
That's what's up, bro.
I'm too impatient for the ropes. It's like I saw that. You gotta take the time to learn this. I don't want to wait. I just want to get up there myself. I don't want to wait on finding someone, having to have your partner with you, all that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get him some Clan Climber merch. You know what I'm saying? First climber on the line, G.
All right, I think I broke my time. So let's focus on you again for a second.
Yeah, my bad.
No, it's all good. Let's talk about the clothing line. What is your inspiration of the clothing line, and what is
my clothes?
Yeah.
Clan Apparel with C's, no K's.
Not gonna lie. That was about first. I was like, wait.
Yeah,
Clan? Just see about the Clan?
Yeah, with C's, no K's. I got it from Outlaw Star. It was a
okay.
Yeah, it's a Clan. The guitar.
I need to rewatch that. It's been a minute, so
That's where the logo, you know what I'm saying, was inspired off of. And my motto, she was a fox. Foxes run in the prairie, and I'm from Illinois, which is the prairie state, so foxes run.
oh shit, that's badass. It was Outlaw Star, Gundam, Hakusho. Those three were like my staples.
It's everything. A lot of my stuff is animated. I grew up, of course, the Dragon Ball Z. Outlaw Star, ironically, used to come on after Dragon Ball Z, and I used to hate it.
Oh, you used to hate it? Damn.
Yeah, I was like, man, Dragon Ball Z going off for this.
Why is this show on here?
Yeah. And then, as I kind of got into high school, I started selling accessories because it wasn't enough accessories I felt for me. So I used to have like the all black, pitch black sunglasses, like the Little John. But mine was darker than all the ones you could get in the store, because they're polarized. So you really couldn't see, some people you could see their eye movement, their eyes and stuff. Like you really couldn't see anything regarding if you was looking from the other side. So I started off with that. And then 2013 came around and hearing pins kind of hit the scene, but there was nowhere to buy them. So I started making them. I took
I'm gonna fix this problem. I need more.
Yeah, I took a sweatshirt, put the elastic on where you would put it over, by where it would be by the waist, and I flipped it inside out. And then I sewed over where the neckline would be inside out, so you never see that it had a neckline. And that was my first hearing pants.
Yeah, that's tight. Didn't need some of that. Okay, so let's wind down. Shout out the album again. Shout out the clothing line and then the social.
All right, so we got the album Robo Chef coming to you soon. Maybe Goldsmiths. 1 or 2 months. Clothing line, Clan Apparel, you know what I'm saying? Buy my clothes.
With C.
No K. But I got some homies that may carry a K, but you know what I'm saying? It's not spelled with a K. You feel me? And then social media, you can catch me on Instagram at ILL, U as in umbrella, M as in Michael, BIA, the number 3. I'm an Aries, March baby. That's my main page. You can also catch me at Clan Apparel, ClanApparel. You can lastly catch me at Saticrib Podcast. That's SATICRIBPODC.
And with that, much love. Follow all this. Take care.